Hello everyone, today's topic is short and long vowel sounds. We know that there are 5 vowels in English language. Each of the 5 vowels have short and long sounds. Now let's start short vowel sounds. When there is only one vowel in a syllable and it is followed by at least one consonant, the vowel usually makes short sound. Example: bat, pen, lid, got, but. First vowel A and the sound is A. Example: apple. Second vowel E, sound is A. Example: elephant. Next vowel I, sound is E. Example: visual. Next vowel O, sound is O. Example: top. Last vowel U, sound is A. Example: duck. Short vowel sounds are A says A, E says A, I says E, O says A, U says A. Long vowel sounds. A long vowel sound is pronounced the same way as the name of the letter itself. Example: lake. This word has 2 vowels, A and E, but E remains silent, so the letter A tells its own name. 4 ways to form long vowel sounds. First one, a vowel at the end of a syllable can be long. Example: me. Here E comes at the end of a syllable, so E is telling its own name. Second one, vowel team can make long vowel sound. That means 2 vowels together make one sound. Example: meet. In this word, E and A together make long E sound. Next rule, I or O can be long when they come before 2 consonants. Example: kind. In this word, I comes before 2 consonants, so I makes its long sound. Next example, old. Here also, O comes before 2 consonants, so O says its own name. Last rule, silent E can make previous vowel long. Example: like. Here E becomes silent and I says its long sound. Long vowel sounds are: name of the letter is A, sound also A. Name of the letter is E, sound also E. Name of the letter is I, sound also I. Name of the letter is O, sound also O. Name of the letter is U and sound also U. Vowel sounds of letter Y. In one syllable word, the Y at the end of the word makes the long I sound. Example: cry, fry, try. In a 2 syllable word, the Y at the end of the word makes a long E sound. Example: baby. Here baby, 2 syllables are there, so the sound of the Y is long E. When Y acts as a consonant, it makes Y sound. Example: yellow. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.